With affiliate marketing, you can make up to $1,000 a week, and this is no joke. If you'd like to learn how, this video is for you. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Toby and I create content to help you earn extra cash using side hustles, help you grow your YouTube channel, and to just motivate you generally. So if this is something you're looking for, welcome, you're in the right place. So let's go. All right, first, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Essentially, it is a way to earn commission by promoting other people's products and services. Okay, so when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, what happens is that you earn a percentage from this sale. It's a great way to make money at home with minimal investment, maybe with almost no investment at all. Now, to earn from affiliate marketing, there are a few steps you must take. And the first thing is to, first of all, identify your niche. And I always advise that this niche should be something that you do that comes to you naturally. For example, if you're a mom, you want to go into a niche like things you use in your kitchen or things you use for your children. Like if you're a career person, you want to use like things you use for at your job, So it is important to first of all choose your niche. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to choose a niche. You cannot just sell everything. You cannot sell diapers here, sell laptops over there. You have to niche down thoroughly. Okay. And it could be anything from parenting tips, like I said, to health and wellness, home renovation, things that you use at home, cooking utensils and all of that. Like a focused niche helps you target the right audience, okay, and build your credibility. Like people know that you're informed in this aspect rather than being informed, rather than being the jack of all trades. The next thing will be to find affiliate programs. And I can tell you right now that most companies have affiliate programs for their products. And once you have chosen your niche, the next thing is to now find an affiliate program that is related to that niche. For example, if you're trying to market things that you use in your kitchen, you can find companies that sell air fryers, blenders, Ninja. They already have those affiliate programs, okay? So look for all those companies that are aligned with your interests and the interests of your viewers and go pitch to them. Also, if you don't want to go search for companies, you can join the Amazon affiliate program. And that is the easiest for people. You join the Amazon affiliate program and you can list as many products as you want from different companies, and Amazon affiliate program helps you put everything all in one. And one thing I love about Amazon affiliate program is that it offers a wide range of products to promote. You know how Amazon, you can find everything on Amazon. Now, the next thing will be to create a platform. Now, you cannot do affiliate marketing if you do not create a platform. So you need a platform, and this could be YouTube. It could be Instagram, right? It could be anything. You just have to create a platform. Okay, so choose a domain name that reflects your niche, especially maybe when you're opening a YouTube channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche. Let's choose the cooking thing, and you can say Toby the cooking mom. Find something that, if you can't find anything, ask ChatGPT. Just find a name that reflects your niche. Set up your channel. If it's a website, set up your website. Okay. Now you want to start creating engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Produce quality content. So content is key to a successful affiliate marketing. So if you do not like creating content, you don't like to stay in front of the camera, this may not be a good side hustle for you. But if you are already on social media and you take pictures, right, you are already on your way to affiliate marketing. So you want to now start to create content in this line. Okay, create content of you using your blender and how it makes life easy for you. Create content of you using your air fryer and the health benefits and how it makes life easy for you. Okay. And then now put your affiliate link in your description box or in your bio. Okay. And this would encourage people to purchase from your affiliate link. Okay, it could be on your blog if you're a blog writer. It could be on anything. Okay, make sure you include your affiliate links, okay, with your content, right, to provide these recommendations. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that if you are recommending things to people, make sure that these things are of good quality and they are things that you use yourself, because you don't want people to lose their trust in you, because that would be the end of your marketing. Okay, you don't want people to lose their trust in you. Now try to optimize your content for search, especially if you're on YouTube. Do SEO optimization. Try to get your content out there. Make engaging content, okay, that people will relate with so that they will buy. Now imagine if you are making $10 from a product and 100 people purchases it. You can imagine how much you're getting from that particular product. So try and create creative content to push your product. You will enjoy the benefits of affiliate marketing. Anyway, guys, if this has been a helpful video to you, kindly give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button to join our tribe, and I'll see you in the next.